In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure you get all your Vohra method information, your reports, announcements, whatever it is. We want to make sure you're getting the information that's going to give you a huge academic and educational advantage over everybody else. So here's what you need to do. Go to the top right here where it says settings, click on settings, and then you're going to choose the option that says settings. Now it'll say general, labels, inbox, accounts and import. Finally, filters and blocked addresses. This is the one we want. So we click on filters and blocked addresses. We're going to scroll down to the bottom and do create a new filter. We're going to do from learn@vohramethod.com. And we're going to create a filter. And we're going to give Gmail the information that'll let it know that this is something that we actually want to see. So I'm going to first click star it. Then click never send it to spam. And then finally, we're going to categorize it. This is important. We're going to categorize it as primary. That way Gmail will know that we actually need to see these reports and announcements and all that. Then you click create filter and you're done. That's all there is to it.